Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, on page number 5, in that 18 road projects headed for the fast lane in FY24. Next, with all eyes on growth, it's over to Sitaraman. Next, under 19 team wins first ICC trophy for India as women cricketer. Next, Germany lifts its third Hockey World Cup. Next, social media grievance portal likely in a week. Next, when middle class takes center stage. Next, experts sound Joshimat cautious for Nicobar. Next, Odisha Health Minister shoot death by policeman. Next, new competition law may open up settlement route for cartels. Next, securities fraud by Madoffs of Manthan's Adani Group. Rebound in Adani stocks key to FPO's success. On page number 6 in companies section under that M&A other corporate deal crossed pre-COVID levels in 2022 PwC. Next, government seeks legal options to break CCI's merger logjam. Next, combination deal pending CCI approval. Next, TVS increases market share in E2W space. Next, government may launch social media grievance portal within a week. Next, will rise Chennai unit output to curtail waiting period. Next, JSW Steel plans rupees 20,000 crore capex in FY24. Next, JSW Energy to focus on battery shortage. Next, chip shortage continues to hit overproduction. Maruti Suzuki. Next, Bhutan crosses rupees 400 crore mark worldwide in 4 days of release. Next, electronic production expected to cross rupees 1.28 trillion in FY24 MOS IT. Next, go first to get rupees 210 crore from credit line guarantee scheme, says CEO. Next, Air Asia flight aborts takeoffs after getting hit by bird. On page number 8 in economy and public affairs section under that power min ask utilities not to retire old thermal units till 2030. Next, NSE world's largest derivatives exchange for fourth straight year. Next, Bharat Jodo Yatra concludes. Next, ahead of budget, FPI take out rupees 17,000 crore from equities in Jan. Next, 60% households expect a dip in earnings, seek relief in budget. Next, EOLS for ports, experts sound Joshimat alarm for Nicobar. Next, PM dream of a decade will be fulfilled by innovators their patents. Next, NSO rural road works far behind target in April September. Next, oil and gas current sector snapshot. Next, we must continue to invest in health. On page number 10 in economy and public affairs section under that Odisha health minister shoot at by cop in chest dies of injuries. Next, becoming a bank will depend on regulatory intent on NBFCs. Next, diverse views on trade and investment at Davos. Next, on page number 11 in politics and public affairs section under that BJP want to better its past record. Next, Congress takes the bit between its teeth. Next, safety under construction. Next, time to de-ready dredge up Vizinjam port project to avoid ever allots giving India a white berth. Next, on page number 12 in world section under that drug firm makes $114 billion by gaming US patent system. Next, India should have a permanent seat in Security Council, says UNGA chief. Next, Sunak sacks party's chief Zahawi over tax affairs. Next, US to begin H1B visa filing from March 1. Next, MPC's police disband unit that beat Nicholas. Next, China's smartphone sales plunge to lowest in a decade. Next, Pakistan goes for a steep hike in petrol diesel prices. Next, 42 killed after bus falls into ravine in Balochistan. Next, 10 children killed as boat capsizes in northwest Pakistan. On page number 13, in opinion section under that, quick settlement. Next, green review. Next, the Empire's news valuation. Next, the real gainer from F&O Casino. Next, uh, early globalization and its discontents. On page number 14, in the smart investor section under that, paint with goes off color, likely to see a fresh coat of downside in demand. Next, tossing into the wishing well. Next, multi-asset funds burnish gold safe haven appeal. Next, early pivot unlikely in the face of persistent inflation. Next, event of this week section under that, or Jan 30 result, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holding and Investment, BPCL, L&T, RAC, SRF, Tech Mahindra. On 31st Jan, India fiscal deficit figure, US FA house price index data. Next result is coming. And first Feb 1, India S&P Global PMI manufacturing, US ADP employment change, US S&P Global PMI manufacturing. Next, UK S&P Global CI PMI manufacturing result Ashok Lane. On Feb, US data and UK data is coming and result as well as on Feb 3, India S&P Global PMI composite and service data is coming. US, UK and result data is coming. And top deal, bulk deal is coming. Polypex Corporation on 27 Jan. That on we comes to next, early pivot unlikely in the face of persistent inflation. Then I comes to page number 15 in personal finance section under that, be aware, uh, be aware government do default on pension liabilities. Next, read portfolio of lemons, peer liability waiver tax harvesting. On page number 18 in money manager section under that, refresh the approach to growth equity. Next, alive and kicking. Next, are fintechs unmindful to mint roads message? Next, on page number 19 in that, why Chinese measures are getting a break. Next, when the middle class takes center stage. Next, missing budget targets. On page number 20 in that, under 19 team wins maiden ICC trophy for Indian women. Next, Chennai to host G20 education group meet. Next, MV Ganga Vilas cruise to live for Sundarbans. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.